crude oil and net gas both have given a stronger reversal right from the highs. See, 68.5, the resistance zone have proven out to be a stronger one. We have seen oil pulling down sharp, and now it has come down towards 65.6. Likewise, with natural gas failing to stay beyond 3.5, we have seen it showing a pullback now towards 3.45. So what to expect today from oil and gas? Are we looking forward for a further correction here in the prices, or the lows are done and again it should be back to the bullish path? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to offer you 2 updates a day. Twice a day updates are there. Next update will be released before the US session. So yes, you can profit across session with these 2 updates. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the See what oil did here is, see, first of all, it has breached the critical resistance yesterday at 68, moved all the way upside towards 68.5, the next resistance zone, and had shown a good pullback. Now see, most importantly, now it is breaching the critical support zone from where we have seen the consolidation and the rise. So now if you see it is staying below 65.4 itself, you can take a sell. Expect 65, 64.8, and once it trades below 65, 64.8, this should head towards 64.4 and 64 as the next targets. Yes, you can see after a bit of retracement, now moving average is crossing over here. Second thing here is, see, till here it was trading in this retracement channel. It is coming out of this channel, which is not a good sign for the bulls. But remember, the stochastic is oversold. The MACD again, after delivering the waves, it has come down towards the bottom. Though it is not that it cannot drop further, but it may try to stay in this with this waves, and a crossover here is what you should wait for a reversal. RSI has dropped to the bottom. Coming to 2-hour chart, look at 2-hour charts. What's happening after the drop side bearishness, and then it is continuing here on the downside. Now, if you see, it is staying below 65.4. You can take a sell, expect 65, 64.8, 64.4, 64.5, and then 64. If at any point of time oil trades below 63.6, stay short. It must head towards 62 and 60 zone very, very soon. See, it is also important to note this is coming out of this channel, which is not a good sign for the bulls. The moving averages have crossed over for sell. Stochastic getting oversold. The MACD trading bearish. The RSI is at bottom here. On the 3-hour chart, see, this is what we had discussed. See, first the drop here, then the retracement, and now if it comes out of this, it is going to deliver a massive blow. Let's wait and watch. Any move below 64, 63.6 should take it towards 62 and $60 zone very, very soon. But remember, it is getting oversold on the stochastic. Though the MACD has room, the RSI is also having room for further drop. Look at 4-hour chart, similar observation here. See, looking downwards, moving average is convergent here. Wait for this to cross over. And now see, a bigger plunge is seen. It might, once it trades below 65.4, more bearishness may prevail here. Let's watch out with caution. Any reversal confirmation today is only and only if you see it is staying beyond 66.2 levels. Then you can expect 66.6 and then 67. Now a move beyond 67 should confirm the reversal. Till 67 it's not bullish. Stochastic getting oversold. The MACD crossed over for sell. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily. Now see, on the daily charts, look at the formation here. Rise, retracement, bigger rise, retracement. See, it has to close above 68 in order to confirm reversal. Now see what has happened here. Higher highs, lower lows are seen. And see, it is important as in how it stays beyond 66.5 and then 67 zone. You can say now this might again strike towards the highs. But remember what's happening. Till here it was trading with this retracement. Now it is trying to deliver a breakout. And thus the levels here towards 64.8, 65 are going to remain critical for the day. A drop below 64.8 is a bearish indication where it might head towards a greater correction today. The stochastic is dropping, the MACD again trading bearish, and the RSI is almost flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, the buying entry now is above 66.2 levels, where you can expect 66.6, 67, 67.25, then 67.8, and then 68.2. Beyond which you can just stay bullish. If it closes above 68 today, on a daily basis, any closer above 68 is a clear indication for a move towards $70 zone very, very soon. If not more, then 69.3 at least has to be there. On the downside now, it is breaking out here, and thus if you see it is staying below 65.4, you can take a sell. However, till 60 64.8 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bearish for the day. Below 64.8 is where you can expect 64.4, 64, 63.6. Any drop below 63.6 today, you can just stay short for the next couple of sessions as well, where it must head towards 62 and 60 zone very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. And before we proceed to natural gas, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 21st of July. I have not responded to many of your queries. I will just respond it today, and you can join the batch today. Only limited seats are now available. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you safety account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, zero commissions, and no forex markup. Yes, no forex markup fees, direct on the market rates conversion. You can find the recommended broker at the channel and the video description. And yes, if you're just willing to trade as per the signals also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Now let's move to natural. See what net gas did yesterday. First of all, it has breached the critical resistance at 3.48, which was the double top levels, and now we have seen a greater struggle. Yesterday I have mentioned, see, if you see it is staying beyond 3.52, you can stay bullish. What has happened? It has fallen shy of 3.5, 3.52 zone. Now it is pretty important for gas to break 3.52 in order to confirm further bullishness here. See what's happening. You can just connect the highs, you can just connect the lows. It is still staying bullish. So now we have to wait for it to stay below 3.4 in order to confirm the bearishness today. Any drop below 3.4, 3.36 and 3.3 will confirm the reversal. Let's have a further look. Stochastic getting oversold. MACD has formed a double top and it has crossed over, trading bearish for now. RSI has dropped, which is again a slight bearish sign. Look at 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, interestingly, the moving averages have crossed over here, and this is also delivering higher lows, higher highs. So now, in fact, if you see it is staying below 3.44 levels, you can take a sell and expect it to move towards 3.4, 3.36 and 3.3. Stochastic has dropped. See, the MACD after a good retracement is now crossing over. It is trading with divergence and looking downwards, staying bearish, while the RSI is almost staying flat. Look at 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Notice this. See, first a rise, then a pullback. See, it has tried to fill the gap, failing to do so. It has seen again a bounce back. The crossover in the moving averages is on the buy side. It's a good sign for the bulls, and the lower highs are seen. Now see what has happened here. Drop, retracement. Now a top is seen and it is trying to pull back here. Now see, divide this into two, you can see a symmetry. So any drop now below 3.44 will be a confirmation of further correction towards 3.4, 3.38. The first target zone, 3.35 the next. And any drop below 3.3 should be a confirmation of a move towards 3.3. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for this to cross over in order to confirm the sell. The RSI has dropped as well. Look at 4 hour chart. Now, when you see the 4 hour charts, what's happening? See, after the drop, it is retraced, and see, this is trading with higher lows, higher highs. Very, very important for gas to trade now below 3.4, 3.35, 3.3 zone. Once it comes out of this zone, it might deliver a greater move towards 3.2, and once it trades below 3.2, we are looking at $3 zone. Very, very. Right now, I can say it is not yet confirming such a strong bearishness. Notice there is a top getting created here, and now again, any move beyond 3.5. 3.52, you can just stay bullish from there. We are heading towards 3.6 and 3.8 levels very, very soon. So now it has come towards a critical zone where it has to decide the direction it wants to take. When you look at the move, see, when you look at the near term move, see, this is breached this channel, it has come out of this. But when you look at the larger move after the top, it is retracing. So if it delivers a breakout, it might head towards the bottom here towards 3.2, and if it 3.2 is taken, $3 is a must here. Stochastic dropping, the MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, we have seen a crossover here. This is under retracement as of now. It has breached this bearish channel. It is trying to bounce back. Also, it has created a good base yesterday. So there is a strong possibility of a further rise here. And any move beyond 3.5, 3.52. Now 3.5, 3.52, you can see 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are offering it a very good resistance. So it is possible that once it trades beyond 3.5, 3.52, it is going to strike 3.6. Possibly. Yes, there is a strong possibility to it. Also notice what's happening here. See, this is what's happening here. The rise, then double top, then the retracement, and it could again back to the top here. So wait for it to stay beyond 3.6 and then 3.8 in order to confirm a complete reversal on the daily basis. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossing over here. It's a very good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising. So considering this now, the selling entries are only below 3.40 levels. When you see the higher price below 3.40, expected to drop a little towards 3.4 to 3.4, 3.38. And once it trades below 3.38, expect a slight bearishness towards 3.35. Now it is very, very important for natural gas to trade below 3.35. That will be the confirmation of reversal. Till 3.35, do not treat this as bearish. Below 3.35, expect 3.3, 3.2 and $3 zone very, very soon. On the upside now, the buying entries are at 3.5 levels. Once it trades beyond 3.5, expect a rise towards 3.525, and once that is taken, 3.56, 3.6 has to be there. Beyond 3.6, stay bullish for 3.7, 3.72 and 3.8 very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.